Hey guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to add a navigation menu in Wix. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Wix is a popular website building platform that allows people to create their own websites without needing advanced technical skills. So it offers user-friendly interface with drag and drop tools, making it easy to design and customizable websites. Wix provides a wide range of templates and features, allowing users to create websites for various purposes, such as personal blogs, business websites, online stores, and more. So this is known for its flexibility and versatility in catering to different needs and preferences. So since our video is all about the tutorial on how to add a menu bar, so let's go over to a quick overview on what is a menu bar. A menu bar on a website is like a roadmap that guides visitors to different sections or pages of the site. So it is actually usually found at the top of the screen. So it's like this one. This contains links to important sections like you have here the home, the about and services, products, contacts, and more. So this is very crucial because it helps visitors quickly navigate and find the information they're looking for without getting lost or frustrated. So think of it as a signpost that lead you to your design destination in a large building. So a well-organized menu bar enhances user experience, keeps the visitor engaged, and encourages them to explore your website further, leading to a better communication of your content or offerings. Now, for us to be able to get started on this, simply click onto the Get Started button in here. Now you'll land onto the sign up page. Here on the sign up page, password and then type your password again and then click on sign up. So you'll have the option also to continue with Google or continue with Facebook. So by signing up, you should agree to the term of use and the privacy policy. But if you have an account already, just simply click onto login button in here. Now, right after logging in or signing up, you'd be redirected onto this page. So this page is where you would be able to see the different sites that you have onto your account. So as you can see all my websites in here. So you could also search for your preferred site in here. But if you want to create a new one, you can simply click onto create new site above in here. So you'll just need to simply click onto that one so that we could create a new one. So since we're just starting out, it will ask you a lot of questions that will help you create your website. So let's just type in what kind of website are you creating. So for example, let's just choose this, click onto next, or you could just simply skip onto this part. So it will ask you as well, what would you like to call your website? So let's add in your website name in here. So we could put in my website. Then click on to next. And now right after, you would be able to see the different recommended things that you can add onto your website. So you could choose to add in a portfolio, Instagram feed, a blog, video, online store, chat, bookings, events, and there are also more here onto the bottom part. So since we have chosen portfolio earlier, so this is built in already. So let's just simply click on to next. Now, here is the part that you will set up your website. So you could choose to go to your dashboard or you could start designing your site already. So you could choose to begin with a template, which is a customized, a designer-made template, get a custom-built site, which let Wix create a site for you in minutes. So let's start here with a template. So just simply click onto that. And now you can see in here the wide range of templates that serves as a starting point for creating your website. So these templates are pre-designed already that you can customize to match your needs and preferences. Whether you're building a personal blog or a portfolio website, an online store or a business site, Wix has a template tailored for your various purposes. So let's choose in here, which one do you like? So I think we're going to be using this one and you'll have the option to edit this or view this first. And you can also see the different info of this certain template. So just simply click on to edit so that we could start it right away. And right after, you'll now land in onto the editing page. So actually, Wix is still optimizing your portfolio in here. So I'll just have to wait onto that one. And here onto the editor page, you can see in here a feature that AI will write your site content. So you could try to optimize this one. So you can launch your website faster using AI. You'll just need to answer this few questions and quickly create a unique tag for your site. So you can see the different tools in here that they offer. So as you can see, onto this template that we've chosen, it already has a navigation bar. So you can see it has a home, about, store, and more. So we could try to remove this one first so that we would be able to add it back again. We've gone ahead and already deleted it. So for you to be able to have in a navigation bar, here's what you'll need to do. Let's outline the key elements that you need to add in. So for example, what we've seen earlier, you can add in a logo, menu items, a call to action button, and social media links. Remember, planning is a key. Now let's build our header step by step. So first, we need to create some space for header content. So as you can see, there is a space already in here, and we'll use a strip to house our element. So for us to be able to do that, just simply click onto this one, add elements. And then let's click onto here, the strip. So for you to be able to add this, you can simply drag this one as well in here. And you could resize it afterwards. So it is already added. So right after within the strips, let's set up columns. So we'll have one column for the logo and another for the menu, button, and social links. So we'll create two columns and align them left and right respectively. So for us to be able to do that, we'll just simply click onto this layout in here. And as you can see, you can add in a column. So we have it already in here, the other column. So you could resize this one in here. So this is the other column and this is the other column that we've added. So we have two columns already for our navigation bar. So here, this part onto your column, you can actually add in some logos or anything that you like. So let's try to resize this one out first. So first thing you'll need to do is to add in elements, to add in a logo. And if you have a logo, just simply click onto image in here, upload the image that you want, or you could choose also the different images that they offer. So we could, just for example, use this one as a logo. Just simply click onto that. So you could just simply drag this one out and you can add it in here. So you could simply resize the image since it is really big. Let's go over in here to crop in the menu. So let's drag in a menu element into the right column. So let's click onto add elements in here. Then click on menu and anchor. So you can see in here the different menus that they offer. A pre-made menu in here. So you'll just need to simply choose onto which one do you prefer. So I think we could have this one added in here and simply drag it. So we could have it pasted onto this part. And now you can see the menu in here. So you could also resize this one out. And there, you have it already, the home, about, store, clients, and portfolio onto the left side of your strip. And then right after, you could also integrate social media icons onto the other side of the menu. So you just simply click onto elements again. Then right after, you'll see different options in here. So let's choose on social. Once you're on the social, you'll see a social bar. So you can have it individual as well. So you have Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, VK, Line, or a music and video, which is YouTube. So we'll just need to click onto the social bar so that we can have a set already of social media platforms. So we'll choose this one out, and the same thing, we'll just need to drag it and drop it onto the side that you want this to add. And then you could also resize this one if you'd like. And there you have it. Here onto the left side, you have the menu button, and here onto the other side, we have the different socials. So you could also simply click onto this menu in here and you'll have the option to manage it, navigate, you could add in the settings, the design, layout, the animation, you could stretch it, and you have also different help options in here if you're still confused onto adding those things. So you could also cut this, copy, and copy the design. You could also paste a design in here, duplicate it, and delete it, and you could also pin this one to the screen. And there you have it. You have successfully built a header with a navigation menu with its social links. Remember, designing is an art, so feel free to experiment with colors, sizes, layouts until you're satisfied. Thank you very much for watching our video. And if you've enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe for more awesome web design tips. Thank you again, and we'll see you on our next video.